Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix TikTok business account to personal account switching problem or TikTok account switching problem. The problem is usually crash by apps bug, account restriction, crash issues or temporary TikTok server problem. Let's see how to fix TikTok account switching problem solved. Step 1. Long press or long tap in TikTok application. Go to apps info, click on storage, again click on clear data, tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store, go to search TikTok app, update your TikTok application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. Step 4. Again open your TikTok app. Go to profile picture. Again click on setting icon. Tap on setting and privacy. Scroll down. Click on help and center. Click on help center. Scroll down. Tap on report a problem. Scroll down. Click on need more help. Tap on account. You can briefly explain your problem and solve this problem and remove business feature fast. You can follow all of the steps to fix TikTok business account to personal account switching problem solved. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.